Hey everyone, it's Aaron with another installment in our video series teaching you how to use Jabberwocky for touch-free control of your Android device. Today we'll be taking a look at one of our very useful advanced features, which is Quick Scroll. Quick Scroll allows you to scroll a page just by moving your cursor to the edge of the screen. This eliminates the need to perform a gesture every time you want to scroll, and that can save you a lot of energy. So let me show you. First, I'll turn Jabberwocky on in my accessibility settings. That way I can control my device touch-free. Great. And then I'll just head to settings to look for the quick scroll option. You'll find it down in the advanced section. And here it is. You have the option to use either the left and right edges or the top and bottom edges for quick scroll. I'll do left and right for now. Great, so that's turned on. And now if I want to scroll, like in my browser, I can do it without a gesture. I can simply move my cursor and it scrolls. Go back over here. And it's the same behavior on a web page or in any other application. Right to go forward, left to go back. Perfect. This is a great way to save time and energy when browsing or reading. Let us know what you think about it. You can find us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram under the name Jabberwocky app. Bye for now.